Come test drive the 2016 Focus. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.